Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to show you how to reopen all tabs on Startup in Google Chrome. This feature can be incredibly useful if you want to resume your browsing session exactly where you left off. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Close all open tabs, except for your pinned tabs. To do this, simply right-click on each tab and select Close until only your pinned tabs remain. Step 3. Now, click on the three-dot menu located at the top right corner of the Chrome window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 4. This will take you to the Settings page. Look for the On Startup tab and click on it. Step 5. In the On Startup section, you'll find different options for how Chrome behaves when you open it. Click on the option that says Continue Where You Left Off. Enabling the Continue Where You Left Off feature ensures that Chrome reopens all your previously opened tabs, including your pinned tabs, each time you close and restart the browser. It's a convenient way to pick up right where you left off. However, it's important to note that this feature may not restore tabs from multiple Chrome windows. If you're using multiple windows, tabs from other windows may not be reopened. And that's it! You've successfully set up Chrome to reopen all tabs on Startup. Now, every time you launch Chrome, your previous browsing session will be restored, making it easy to resume your work or continue your online activities. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.